Hi, and welcome back to D Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, we're looking into SEO Pilot. And this has to do with people that own websites, or you have WordPress websites in general. And it's the perfect time for me because I just released the product called Buried Profits AI. It has to do with you finding domains, building websites instantly with a click of a button. And basically, this is going to basically save me money because I don't really need to use Ahrefs or Majestic or all these other tools that will help me audit my site. And I want to show you how simple this is, how it works, how I would be fixing my sites really quickly. And I'll show you an example of what I mean. I've got all these different sites that I have online that I've been building, that I've been working on, and I've been actually slowly trying to get them back to healthy, getting them all healthy, okay? Healthy, and then maybe reselling them or making money passively through the system that I've got in place, all right? And I've been doing this for all my sites. Everything's been working nicely, etc. So we're gonna find one right now, one of my sites that I think that we can expand on and make it better, okay? See, like this one right here, it's got 1.1 total visitors coming through, but I need to fix it, okay? So this is called the Cat's Web. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link of this. This is all put inside my Ahrefs, and this is where I'm seeing everything. It's a free place to put things. And then on here, you can come in and you can do a site audit on here. Okay. But it tells you a couple of things. It tells you the stuff, gives you what you need to fix. But in order to get the issues from here, I need to pay Ahrefs on a monthly basis, and it's costly. Okay. So to do the site audit properly, like what I do is go to each one and try and figure out, okay, so I will export this with these links and do all that, okay? But we don't need to do all that. Right now we have this cool tool, all right, that I'm using. So whoever's picked up my my Buried Profits AI, this is perfect for you, by the way, okay? So basically I'm gonna go ahead and we'll go to audit. Oh, actually, wait. Okay, we're going to optimize based on the site. So, all right, first we have to go and add our site. Okay, so I'm going to add my site. So this is my cool site. It's called the Cat's Web. This is the URL. Okay, the Cat's Web. I'm going to just put United States. I'm going to put English, industry. And this is more into, what I say, others, I would say, for this one. Others. And the website description for this, put it there. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and then generate with AI. It's for the crawler settings. It's something that you need to just do. And then this will figure it out. Okay, and then next. We're going to fix that, save and up. And we'll see what's wrong with it. So now it's going to work. It's going to crawl the site. Okay, and it's going to tell me all the stuff that I need to do. It's completed. Okay, and then we go to dashboard and we'll go to audit, create audit. You also have integrations that you just connect with your Google Search Console, for example. So I've already got this connected. And if you followed my training in Buried Profits AI, you'll see how to connect your stuff. If you have a WordPress, you can connect everything through here, but we don't. And you don't need this either because we're not going to be using WordPress for this specific one. So we're going back and we got to make sure to choose the Cat's Web so we can look at the performance for the specific one. Okay, so this is the Cat's Web performance, and we go to audit and we'll create an audit. So we're getting a low score, and what we're going to do is change that score. Now we have the audit report. I've got everything here. So what I'm going to do now is go into the platform that I'm actually using this. I'm going to upload my, this is where I have my site. This is where I build my sites. This is where I teach you how to build the sites. Okay. And I'll say, I'd like to fix my site based on this report. Okay. So we're going to click that. This is going to work in the back end. It's going to fix it. Okay, and then we're going to do a recrawl and see if that worked. Because if that worked, then this shows that this works as in general. And it's great because if you got websites, you can really get a lot of things right if you didn't know. But there's more to this tool that I want to show you. Now, there's also the fact that you can get your website, get all the checks right, so you can be found through ChatGPT, through Gemini, through all these AI tools on there. So you can check from this AI tool is going to help you optimize your website's performance in AI search results. And then this is going to do a ground audit, and it will work and find all the search queries with AI responses to track, so you can be found and you can make the changes to your site so you can be seen from Google, from Gemini, from ChatGPT, and not just Google. Things have changed now. It's not just Google on there. So my site is actually fixed. Okay, it's done all the changes that I needed to do. I'm gonna publish this, and we're gonna do a quick recrawl for the specific site that we just did. Okay, we're gonna do a recrawl. I'm already seeing that my score has gone up, but let's just make sure that it's doing its recrawl properly. Now we're gonna be analyzing for AI keywords that we can add. I mean, there's a lot of moving parts, but it's all clickable, it's easy to use, etc. So it's right now it's fun, and these are all okay. Optimize, okay, so let's say I wanted to click on this. It's gonna do the changes, I will apply, and it'll do it. And all I have to do is just click and choose, okay? So this one right here is what this is giving me a 95, all right? So I'm changed that. So we fixed that. Now we go to the next one. Let's check out so you see, you're working with AI to help you optimize, fix, without you having any type of knowledge, and also it giving you the right choices to make so you can get the better outputs for this, okay? Let's get the let's get the stuff done by AI, because I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, so schema is updated. Okay, we got that. Let's move on to the alt thing. Okay, again, going through each stuff, we choose what makes sense, what it gives me, and we fix it. So it's making all the changes that I need. And after I'm done with this part, I'm gonna come back, we'll recrawl, we'll fix, and get the best outcome out of this. Watch this, the crawl page has changed. Page health has gone up, way up. Now it's a 91, okay? Let me go back to audit again. We're talking about 83%, gone up, 100%. I'm gonna get the report, okay, just to make sure. And let's even crawl on my Ahrefs one. Okay, let's new crawl. Let's see what we get. We were way low. Okay, and this is where we're gonna actually see it shine in general. Okay, so we'll let this run for a bit, and then I'll come back so we can see if my site has been fixed 100%. Let's wait for this. I'm very curious on this. This is the type of traffic that's happening. We've got 13 keywords, and let's optimize that. And the beautiful thing is that wherever that you see something and you want to optimize, you get it here. Like, it's all about clicking a button and it doing it on by itself. Okay, so look at this. We've got our own little keywords that we can use. It's still crawling, so that's why it's still at a low age thing. So there is tutorials and training for each part of this, so you won't get this wrong, okay? Follow the steps that Alex has for you over here. But basically, you know, this is what it does. So let's just wait for this to crawl and finish. 92, it's gone up 92, guys. Okay, I fixed everything that was given to me from SEO Pilot, and I'm getting a 92, which is perfect because, you know, this is going to help me with everything that I'm trying to do with that site. And I'm pretty impressed that it did it so quickly, so fast, and so easily. Okay, so my SEO Pilot basically helped me. Let me do a new audit. Okay, it's even more because I fixed it. Let me recrawl. 91. And what's this? We got 91 on thing. That's pretty good. 91, 92. Okay, so yeah, it's working. 100% works. It's perfect. You saw me take something from 42 to 91 using SEO Pilot, and only that. We're not done yet. Okay, because I still need to fix up. Like, I can see my high priority ones that I have. I need to put my keyword density on this. Okay, I need to fix it. Again, it's gonna analyze it, create, and generate. I'm going to go through these things again. Like, for example, where I have the red thing, and then optimize it even more with maybe the keywords that I need to add from the suggested keywords. It's saying I should choose this one, let's apply, etc. So I'm going to do that as well, and then clean it up even more, get it to maybe even 100%. It's pretty impressive though, because you are creating you're fixing something that you probably would have paid somebody a lot of money to do so. And not only that, you can actually do this for customers and actually make good money as an SEO strategist. You can give them an audit and tell them you can fix it and get paid for it. Good money. Okay. So there's all these different methods that you can use this tool to your advantage as somebody that you can go out and find clients for. So you can build sites for using my strategies, using this, and just basically getting this into you fixing those websites will bring you more traffic, will be ranked on Google, on Gemini, on ChatGPT. You'll be monetizing it. You can resell these sites. You can use these services for other people. So basically, there's nothing like, it's really huge. Okay. Now with this, if you decided to pick this up, you will get another 4 bonuses from me to help you in general with your campaigns. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so the bonuses that I've created for this is basically to help you in general before learning about SEO or understanding SEO or what to do next with all the tools that you're getting. You saw part of what I did was pretty simple using the platform that I have, but then you have other websites, other methods, and I'm giving you all this to basically help you even more. So for the first one, SEO fixed priority matrix is like after you get all these issues that you're being told you need to go and change. Well, I'm going to show you which ones are the most important ones to start with, and it gives you what's priority in terms of the issues that you need to fix. So it makes it easier for you to go and work on things if you're doing it manually, if you're not going to be using my platform or, that I'm teaching you through Bird Profits AI, then you're going to want to need this. Okay. So this basically gives you fix this first, then this, and then this. So it gives you a priority of what you need to be doing. Then the next one is basically to optimize even more for the ChatGPT, Perplexity, etc. Now, Auto 3, actually, the upsell 3 for SEO Pilot allows you to do this, but then you can do this on your own, okay, to understand what the geo thing is, so you can be found from all the other ones on what you need to do. And there's 20 prompts to help you actually get these issues rewritten to restructure your websites for AI citation. Okay. So I believe Auto 3 does it automatically for you, but then you can do this on your own using AI and the prompts that I'm giving you. Now, this one right here is for somebody to understand the lingo. So for example, I don't know what canonical URL is that I need to change. It's good to know what these glossary terms are. So there's I've fixed this for you because SEO Pilot can actually fix this. But if you do it manually and you understand, okay, you understand how to use this or maybe answer a client's questions, whatever. But it's basically for people that have no technical idea of what they're doing. So it's a good thing to understand what's going on with these terms and stuff. All right. And I created an AI visibility checklist so you can find, okay, how do I get on ChatGPT to answer when people are searching for something? Okay. So then this checklist will give you basically the perfect signals so that you can set up your website's schema, FAQ structure, authority signals, and all that to help you be found on things. So it's a basic checklist to make sure you got everything down so you can be found on the AI search tools and platforms. So other than that, this is basically, if you didn't take the upgrades, then this is going to help you actually work on your own using the power of the SEO Pilot and everything that I'm giving you here. Okay, so these 4 bonuses are delivered in a Google Doc under your access for this. But I'm going to give you one more bonus that I think makes sense, and it's going to be my flip-flop profits course, volume 2. And the reason I'm going to give you create your account here. Now, the reason why I'm giving you this access is because, first of all, flip-flop profits is basically how I built this whole website from WordPress, how I'm creating my reviews, how I'm generating commissions from Warrior Plus, and it's basically to help anybody set up a site just like I did. Now, I gotta fix my. I can't remember which one it is. Flip-flop. Yeah. So basically, this is my one of my best courses that I created that helps you understand how I'm doing affiliate marketing. Okay, and this is going to be the perfect course for anybody to set up a website. If you do set up a website following my flip-flop profits, SEO Pilot will tie in perfectly, and you can get started a lot faster than what I was able to do, because everything's going to be ready for you in terms of SEO and stuff like that, and plus the training on becoming an affiliate, understanding the business, how I've been doing it. It's pretty old, but it's 2018, I believe, but it's still. Nothing has changed really. I'm going to be doing an update course on this very soon, Flip-Flop Profits Volume 3, to update you with what I've changed, what I've done now, what I'm doing, and it's more of an update on what I've already been doing all these years, okay? So I'm giving you access to this course, all right? I'm giving you access. It's still selling. I'm still selling it. The stuff is at 47, but I think it ties in nicely with this. It will help you actually get started in this business as an affiliate, and having this tool basically and all the bonuses that I'm giving you will help you a lot further in general. Okay, so basically this is SEO Pilot. I wanted to show you that here's the proof. I took one of my sites that were 42, brought it up the health to 92. You saw it happen live from the changes that I did from the audits, and it's pretty cool that I was able to do this on this video recording. Other than that, thank you so much for being on here. Make sure you check out the links below. It takes you to the review of SEO Pilot so you can understand what it is exactly, what you're getting, how much it is, the upsells that you're going to be getting if you want, optional, and all the stuff that I'm giving you, and plus my bonuses that I just showed you right here, okay? And plus my flip-flop profits unannounced bonus, okay? Bonus number 5. Okay, so basically you got an overall business software to help you start online. Hey, without a website online, there's no foundation. Get yourself a foundation like I did. Why would I do this? Why would I get my dpapa.com under my name? Because I wanted to build an authority figure online to create reviews and information and value and stuff like that. And this is what's basically my ATM. Okay, this is what's built my business from zero. This is where I started. I started with a free WordPress account, and then I upgraded when I started making money, and then I basically the foundation will always be something that you always pay for. If you don't have a website online, you're missing out on a big opportunity to expand in general. It's not just having thousands of websites online, it's having one good one and monetizing it to the fullest. This has been running since 2012 when I started, and I haven't stopped, okay? So thank you so much for being here, and I'll talk to you in the next video.